Is Shopify the best e-commerce platform? In this video, I'm gonna give you the reason why Shopify is the best e-commerce platform right now in 2024, and also I'm gonna show you some of the features that Shopify have for your e-commerce platform, guys. Okay, so what you can do here is you can see that inside the members area of Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to Shopify, you can click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. It's gonna take you to this page so that you can get started for free using Shopify, guys. Okay, so now let me show you some of the features that Shopify offers. So what you can do here with Shopify, there's so many things that you can do. You can just click here to orders. So with orders, this is where Shopify is gonna be showing you some statistics based on your dropshipping business. You can see some statistics based on your dropshipping business, like how many orders that you got for today, how many orders that you have over time, and also the return that you have on your store. You can also go to products. So on the products, this is where that you can able to add the products here. So this is where that you can also add the products for your dropshipping store. So as you can see that I just add some products here. I'm just gonna click here to preview. This is the digital. Not only, guys, you can also use Shopify to create digital products. So physical products. You can also add digital products, guys, here on your Shopify store. As you can see that this is some of the page that I created. As you can see that this is a digital product that I created here, guys, on Shopify. So what you can do, let me just show you how you can also import a product here, guys. Okay, you can also export products. You can also add a new product. Let me show you what you can do. Let me just click here to add a new product. So when I click and you add a new product here, guys, you can just give it a name, the name of your product. Okay, I'm just gonna give it a name. You can just use any title. You can also write any content about the description of your product. You can write anything here. Or what I like to do, I like to use this feature that Shopify just recently published. When you click here to this generated text, so what you can do here with this feature, you can just put some keywords, okay, that Shopify is good, that Shopify is gonna write content about your product description. So I'm gonna say, I'm just gonna put this, I'm just gonna use that one. I'm just gonna use the tone of voice. I'm gonna use it and expect. I'm just gonna click here to generate. So as you can see that, okay, this is a suggestion that Shopify, the description that Shopify is done. I'm just gonna click here and keep it. And then what you can do, we can just click here and upload your product. If you don't have any product, guys, so you can also upload an image of your product here, guys, okay, on a laptop. And also what you can do here, you can also let me show you how to do. You can also put the price here, but for me, I use the ZAR currency. You can use any currency, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna put my price here. I'm gonna use a comparison, and also compare price. I'm gonna put a cost per item. So the cost per item is gonna be this one, and this is gonna be showing you the profit that you'll be making, and also the margins of your store, guys. Okay. So after that, what you can do, you can also check the cost, the weight of the product. Okay, you can also check the weight of the product. You can also add some customizations, or if let's say you want your store to rank in the first page of Google, like using search engines, so that you can get a free traffic, you can just do some customization, add it like that. What else you can do? Just leave you can leave it like default, and then you can just click here to save it. I'm gonna discard because I don't want it to save this. So what else you can do, you can also go to customers. You can also go to customers, and also you can also, if let's say that you have a list of customers, you can also import them here, guys. Okay, you can also import them, or you can also add new customers, or you can go to analytics. So what I like about analytics is that Shopify is gonna giving you much more analytics on how your store it is performing, guys. Okay, like for today, like how many total sales that you have, or you can also change the date, or maybe for yesterday, also last 7 days or last 30 days. All of those things you can do some customizations. You can also check by online store sessions, like how many people that they click on your store, and also the conversion rate, and also the total orders of your store, and also the average order value of your store, and also the top selling products. If you have multiple products on your store, you can check all of those things, as you can also check the returning customer rate. You can also go to discount. If they said you want to create discount, you can also create discount. What I like about discount is that you can have more sales. It'll be interesting in more sales. Okay, you can also go to online store. So on online store, this is where Shopify allows you to have done for you themes that you can use them for free on a Shopify store. As you can see that these are some of the themes that Shopify is going to be giving you. You can also choose all of these themes here. These themes, they are free to use, guys. Okay, if they say that you want to use it for, let's say for this one, you can just view the demo of this theme. As you can see that this is gonna be the theme. You can also add this theme to your Shopify store, guys. Okay, you can do some customization on this theme. As you can see that, guys, okay, you can also use this theme, guys, okay, for your Shopify store, guys. It is very easy to use these themes. You can do some customization and add them on your Shopify store, guys. Okay, so now let me show you the prices of Shopify store, the pricing plan. So when you click the link down below in the description of this secure video, it's gonna take you to this page. This is where that you can use Shopify for free. It's gonna be giving you 3 days free trial, but I highly recommend, guys, that you upgrade to only $1 so that you can have an access only for 30 days, guys, free trial with the Shopify free trial, guys. Mean that you're gonna have 33 days for free, guys, okay, with the Shopify plan. Also, the plan that I recommend for you guys is this is the basic plan that I recommend, guys, for you, that you can use if you're starting out with Shopify. This plan, it is gonna be good for you. This is the most popular one. It's gonna be $25 per month. Okay, if you wanna pay on a yearly basis, you can save up to 25% off, meaning it's gonna be $19 per month, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment section. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible, because Shopify, guys, is the best e-commerce platform right now in the industry, because Mr. Beast, they are using this platform as well, guys. Okay, so take care, guys, and may God bless you sharp.